about like how it's kind of like faced. It's our first video, and yeah, today we're on another video with Sister Squad. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a squishy haul. Stop. Delete it. Sorry. Yeah, so we're gonna do a squishy haul. Let's get on to the video. So our first squishy is this squishy. It's called a cappuccino coffee with like a cat. This is how it squishes, right? 1, 2, 3, squish. Very slow rising.
Yeah, very slow rising.
Next squishy.
Next squishy.
Sorry, a bunch of text messages are coming. So we have this blue. Oh, sorry.
You're gonna give me one.
Wait, I am. First we have this blue and pink Billy the Whale. Ready? Come on, close. Come close so they won't see it. 1, 2, 3. Very slow rising. Okay, let me get the next squishy.
And I get to pick it out.
So our next one is this pineapple, I think. I'm pretty sure. It's a little darker on camera, but this will do. Then we have this lemon. Very big. So Ella's going to have the pineapple. Squish it very close. Come on. Ready, set, squish! Okay, so all the squishies are kind of related, or in color, or somehow related. Next squishy, Donut Arcade.
And next squishy, Panda.
It's not slow rising. Squishy.
Not slow rising.
That one's okay. Okay.
Look at my feet.
Don't do that. So Ella has that squishy. We're going to go up close. 1, 2, 3, squish. Whoa.
All squishies.
So this is our last squishy. We're going to squish it together. It is Soups, Cutes, and yeah, let's go. Squish it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Soups Slow Rising. So thank you guys for watching our video. I hope, comment down below if you have any squishies. Bye.